So traders, the last 100 years, gold has formed this pattern twice in the last 100 years. And every time this pattern formed, gold went for a parabolic move up. And guess what? It's happening again right now. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. Make sure you grab access to the trading course. I'm actually giving away free access. I used to charge for it. So if you need help with your trading, guys, I'm giving away complete free access to my trading course, foundations, what goes into a good trader, chart reading, trading systems, you name it. Free trading course, link description. Now, what's actually happened here? The last 100 years, a lot of people are forgetting about this one big major thing that's happening with gold. And I'm telling you now, guys, people get excited about property, right? People get really excited about property. Oh my goodness, property. Especially here in Australia, they're like, oh my goodness, whoa. They go crazy about property, right? Because property's just gone absolutely just nuts. It's probably going to continue to go nuts with all this money circulating in the system. So is the stock market. So, but anyway, let's have a look at this here. So the thing that I'm seeing when it comes to the good old when it comes to gold is this, right? Remember I said before that the last 100 years, gold has formed this pattern twice. When it's happened, we went for a parabolic move. Now it's happening for the third time. So what's likely to happen next? Let's actually look at this here. So if I go back in time, right? I'm looking at a weekly chart here. If I go back in time, look at this here. So we see that we actually had look at this. Look how beautiful these swings are, right? Just, oh my goodness, just absolutely just gorgeous swings. Just gorgeous. Look how beautiful those swings are. Nice move up, move down, move up, move down, right? And then we came to where? 1975, and we made a significant high for actually quite some time. Remember, this here is 1 year, right? So it made a high for 1, 2, 3, probably 4 years before it got back to a new high. So here's the thing. Check this out. So if we have a look at this here, so if we see this significant high up here, notice this here. Notice how this market ran up, made a significant high, and we had a pullback, right? And now look what happened here, right? Now we've actually had, when we reach a significant high, when the market eventually, many years later, eventually gets to that point, when we break it, we end up having a pullback, and then guess what? Then when we finally do bounce, we end up just going through this type of move, right? Just a yee-haw move. So parabolic move to the upside. So pattern number one. The pattern is significant high, breaks a significant high, comes back down, forms a higher low, and then starts to move back to the upside. That's pattern number one. Here we go here, right? So we have another significant high up here. So if we move to the side again, squeeze our nice looking charts up here. Squeeze it up, right? And here we go. So if we squeeze it up, we'll be able to see. There's that significant high point. And look what happened here. Look what happened here, right? So we have a significant high. We rallied up. We actually broke into... Where's my drawing tools? Here we go. So look at this here. We broke significant high. We made a higher high compared to the last significant high. Then we come back down. Look at this here. Look at all this time it's spent just doing this. Doesn't that remind you of something? Right? If I actually zoom in on this now, look at this here. Down, up, down, up, down, up. What does that remind you of? Right. What's happening right now, right? Very similar to what's happening right now. Well, what's also very similar is we had a significant high a long time before we got back up to here. We broke the high, then we had a pullback, lots of volatility, and then when we finally started to make our way up after this pullback, guess what? Away we go. So fast forward to where we are today and look what we are getting right now. Significant high, away we go. significant high. Market makes a higher high. And look what's happening here. Lots of what? Lots of volatility, just like we did back here. So broke that there is exactly what's happened here. Broke a high, come back down as we pulled back down for, actually that was actually close to one, maybe year and a half of volatility. New higher high, higher low, and then a move up. Higher high, lots of volatility. So as you can see, big move up. So I'm expecting, guys, I'm expecting this to happen again. But we may be getting something, this may last another good six or so months before we start to see the parabolic move. Now the thing is that for me, is I'm watching to see if we do start to see a break above 2,100. Once we get that, just like we did back here, that tells us, okay, now it's game on for the bulls. So there we go, guys. That's the pattern that I want to share with you. Last two times, now this is a weekly charts, guys, right? You don't look at this chart and place a position and then come back tomorrow and go, oh my goodness, I thought it's going to go parabolic. Oh, come on now, right? This is 10 years in the making, right? Not 1 month or 2 months. It's a big picture, right? If you're looking for where's gold likely to be from in the next 2 or 3, 4 years, there's actually, if we squeeze our charts up once again, we can see like over here, we had what? Same pattern, move up. It's the same thing there, and we're getting the exact same thing right now. So we may get a lot more volatility over the next 3 to 6 months, maybe more. But after that, oh my goodness, we're going to see one crazy move, and I believe we're going to see this just like we did this time, and we're going to see a pretty significant move and a pretty strong move really quickly, especially when we start to get heated up with gold. When gold starts to get back up to here, back to 2,000, 2,100, it's game on. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.